Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a boat today. First you fold it in half. And take one of the folds and fold it backwards to the folded half. Just like this. So you can see. And then take the other side and fold the same way. So it looks like, it's like you can fold both sides. So I have four squares. You just fold it in half, take both sides, fold it like this. Take one corner and fold it like a triangle. And do it again with the other side on the same corner. And then on the other side, on the other corner, do the same thing. And the other side on the same corner, do the same thing. And then you just fold again the same way. But fold it big like this. And then you fold it. Then take the other side. Do the same thing. And then just do the same thing. When you're done, it sure looks like this. Not a boat yet. And then you just fold part of it near the bottom of it. Fold it in half. Just like this. And then do the other one the same way. Fold it to the top. And then take the two sides, open up. This is a very hard thing, so keep on trying. And then smush it over. Switch the sides over. So flip it over, and then just flip the side, and then keep on doing it for all the other sides. It's gonna be hard. And then you see, it's a boat. Just don't push it in the water, and it will float. But then again, good luck.